When people think of engineering careers, they mostly think of only two options. It's either coding or higher studies. But what if I tell you some of the most successful engineers never became software developers at all? And that your engineering degree can open doors in many careers, including business, finance, entrepreneurship, and even law. Yes, you heard me right. Hi, I'm Nishita and you're watching Geeks for Geeks, your one-stop solution for all coding-related problems. And in this video, we're going to talk about the best non-tech careers you can pursue as an engineering student. One of the biggest mistakes students make is assuming their engineering degree locks them into a technical career forever. But in reality, companies want engineers for one thing, and that's their problem-solving ability. Engineers are trained to think logically, analyze situations, and break down complex problems. And those skills are valued way more than coding. So let us break down some exciting opportunities in the non-tech domain for engineers. Imagine being the person who decides what features get built in an app. Not necessarily coding them, but being the one who decides what a user needs, coordinating your team, defining requirements, and seeing the product vision. And that's product management. Many engineers transition into product management not only because of their technical knowledge, but because they want experience with business and people and clients straightforward. Some of the highest paying PM roles are found in startups, tech companies, and global product firms. If you enjoy solving business problems over technical problems, then consulting can be an exciting opportunity. Consultants help companies improve their operations, strategy, efficiency, and growth. Major consulting organizations actively recruit engineering graduates because analytical thinking is the core of consulting. You get exposure to multiple industries and solve different kinds of problems on a day-to-day basis. Now, this surprises many students, but engineering graduates many times choose finance. Why? Because quantitative skills matter. Many industries like investment banking, equity research, financial management, risk analytics, and fintech often seek out engineering graduates because of their quantitative skills. This is often preferred by people who enjoy numbers, analysis, and decision making. Many engineering graduates often even go for an MBA to transition into this particular field. This sits somewhere between business and tech. You don't necessarily need to become a hardcore developer. Instead, you focus on data and how to analyze it to make better business decisions. Companies today generate a massive amount of information, and people who can convert that data into business insights, they're highly valued. Every year, thousands of engineers prepare for competitive exams and multiple government jobs. Engineering graduates often perform exceptionally well there because of their disciplined study habits and analytical thinking. For students excited about administration, governance, and public impact, this can be a very meaningful path. Yes, law. Many students don't realize that engineers can pursue legal careers. Specializations like technology law, intellectual property law, cyber law, and patent law can be especially attractive because technical knowledge gives you an upper hand in this case. Because companies often reach out for people who are well versed in both technology and legal frameworks. Multiple students don't want jobs at all. They want to build something of their own. Engineering provides a strong basis for entrepreneurship because not only do you learn how systems work, you also learn how problems are solved. Many successful founders started as engineering students who identified a problem and built an entire solution around it. While entrepreneurship is risky, it can be extremely rewarding. Content, education, and community building. This path barely existed a decade ago, but today it's a legitimate career. Technical content creators, educators, trainers, community managers, and developer advocates all talk about how content creation, sharing knowledge, and teaching is a budding career. If you enjoy explaining concepts and helping others learn, this can be an amazing career path for you. Now, here's the important thing. The goal is to not run away from technical jobs. The goal is to understand that engineering gives you many more options. A lot of students panic because they think, I don't want to become a software developer, my degree is wasted. But that is simply not true. Your degree teaches you how to think, and that skill is transferable to multiple industries. So if coding isn't your passion, don't panic. Explore, experiment, build skills, talk to professionals, and try internships. Because the best career is not the one which everybody else is chasing, it's the one that matches your strengths, your interests, and your long-term goals. Your engineering degree is not a destination, it's a launch pad. And where you decide where you want to go is entirely up to you.